Welcome back to Finance Flicks Hub, your go-to spot for smart, research-driven stock market insights. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss a deep dive into companies shaping the future of finance and technology. Today, we're exploring a company that's quietly working behind the scenes in defense, energy, and digital innovation. But soon, it might just take center stage. Let's talk about Amentum Holdings Inc., ticker symbol AMTM, a name you'll definitely want to remember. Before we jump into numbers and contracts, let's take a moment to understand why this discussion matters. The global market is shifting. Governments are increasing defense spending, nuclear energy is making a comeback, and digital modernization is accelerating worldwide. Amentum sits right in the middle of all these massive trends, giving it the potential to become one of the strongest players in the coming years. Let's start with a quick reminder of what patience can do in the stock market. Think about Palantir Technologies, a company that went public and stayed flat for years before investors truly understood its value. It's a great reminder that strong companies sometimes take time to shine. Amentum could be one of those hidden gems, quietly building contracts and partnerships that will eventually capture investor attention. Now let's get to the star of today's video, Amentum Holdings Inc. This company provides advanced engineering and technology solutions to US and allied governments around the world. Its expertise spans across defense, energy, intelligence, space, and environmental projects. In short, it's a company that helps power, protect, and sustain modern civilization. Here's what makes Amentum so versatile and essential. They modernize and maintain critical defense systems. They deliver aerospace and naval engineering solutions that keep missions operational. They work in nuclear and renewable energy, supporting power generation and safety. They build space systems, including satellite payloads and orbital operations. They provide digital transformation services like AI, cybersecurity, and data analytics. They also focus on environmental sustainability, managing waste, handling radiation protection, and supporting clean energy goals. Each division adds another layer to Amentum's value, and together they create a powerful, future-ready ecosystem. Now let's talk numbers, because strong fundamentals matter. Amentum currently trades around the low $20 range. Its revenue is growing rapidly and is expected to exceed $120 billion by 2025. Cash reserves are climbing towards $738 million, showing strong liquidity. Free cash flow is consistently positive, meaning the company isn't just growing, it's profitable and sustainable. These are the types of figures investors love to see in a long-term growth story. Amentum isn't just growing on paper, it's securing real, high-value deals. Here are a few examples. A multi-billion-pound nuclear decommissioning project in the United Kingdom, a $4 billion contract supporting the US Space Force, a $1 billion US Air Force technology modernization contract, and a plan to create 3,000 new jobs in the UK in the defense and nuclear sector. These aren't short-term wins, they're long-term partnerships with major global impact. Now, let's talk about something fascinating: the Golden Dome Defense Shield. This is a large-scale missile defense initiative focused on early detection, tracking, and neutralization of threats. While not officially confirmed, Amentum's expertise in missile systems, nuclear deterrence, and digital command networks makes it a natural fit for involvement in such high-security programs. If Amentum plays a role here, it could open another major revenue stream and elevate its global profile. Amentum operates at the intersection of four global megatrends: the revival of nuclear energy as a clean and reliable power source, expanding defense modernization budgets across allied nations, accelerating space technology and digital transformation, and growing demand for sustainability and environmental responsibility. Each of these sectors alone could drive growth, but Amentum touches all four. That's what makes it such a compelling long-term play. So here's the key takeaway. Amentum Holdings, ticker AMTM, is not just another defense contractor. It is an integrated technology and engineering company that supports the critical infrastructure of the modern world. Its balance sheet is strengthening, its contracts are expanding, and its relevance is increasing every single year. As always, remember, this is not financial advice. Do your own research before investing, but for investors who look beyond short-term trends, Amentum is definitely a name worth studying closely. And that wraps up today's deep dive into Amentum Holdings, one of the most fascinating companies flying under the radar in 2025. If you enjoyed this breakdown, please give the video a like, share it with a friend who loves market analysis, and make sure you subscribe to Finance Flicks Hub for more research-driven stock insights. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay smart, stay curious, and keep learning.